Namaskar, my dear divine family, and welcome to a whole new series of Panch Portal. एक नई शुरुआत, एक नया साल, बहुत सारे सपने मेरे और आपके, and I hope to God that each one of our dreams do come true. पंच पोर्टल एक ऐसा गेटवे है जो आपकी जिंदगी के 5 एरियाज के बारे में आपको बताता है. इन 5 पोर्टल्स के बारे में बताएंगे वीकली बेसिस पे मेरे यानी ट्रांसेंडिंग बिलीव्स के एक्सपर्ट्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मोक्ष पाठ.
Namaste dear friends, wishing you all a very happy, prosperous and glorious New Year 2026. I am Shilpa Shah, a Moksha Path reader and an advanced Vastu practitioner. As we step into the first week of January 2026, the board's guidance in the realm of heart and mind harmony is to bring the lunar plane's attributes into our daily life. The lunar plane represents the soft, nurturing and compassionate feminine energy that heals, comforts and brings emotional balance. This guidance is especially important at the beginning of a new year where a heart carries hopes and a mind carries plans. When the heart and mind move in different directions, we feel confused. But when they move together, life begins to flow smoothly. Incorporating feminine energy means embracing qualities like empathy, patience, forgiveness, and unconditional love. It invites us to slow down, to respond gently, and to honor our emotional needs instead of rushing through them. When we connect with this energy, we create a safe inner space where the heart can express and the mind can guide without conflict. As a simple remedy, by cleansing and energizing 7 chakras, we can release old blockages, bring emotional stability and clarity. This subtle practice of balancing 7 chakras will help you begin the new year with a centered and peaceful state of mind. So as we move into this new year, let us carry the beautiful lunar plane's feminine energy within us. For any further guidance or consultation, you may DM me. That is all for now. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy and remain connected to your inner peace.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of prosper vitality from January 5th, 2026 to January 11th, 2026 according to Moksha Path board. The realm of prosper vitality decides your physicality or your physical reality, meaning your health and wealth. और ये दोनों ही मानक आपके जीवन के अभिन्न अंग हैं. This week your health is going to be perfectly fine. और साथ ही आपको ये अनुभूति होगी कि स्वास्थ्य के प्रति सजग रहना और उस पर अमल करना आपका ही कर्तव्य है और आप उन नियमों का पालन भी करेंगे. साथ ही आप कोई नया अभ्यास आरंभ कर सकते हैं जो आपके स्वास्थ्य को बेहतर बनाने के लिए आवश्यक है. It can be some yoga classes or any other kind of physical activity. बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपकी आय भी सामान्य और स्थिर रहेगी. आपको कुछ नए आइडियाज, कुछ नए सजेशंस मिल सकते हैं जिससे आपकी आय में और भी वृद्धि हो. आपकी अंतर्दृष्टि आपको गाइड करेगी कि आप क्या करके अपनी आय को और भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. आपके लिए सजेशन है कि ग्राउंडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करें. ग्राउंडिंग के बहुत सारे तरीके अवेलेबल हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज वॉकिंग बेयरफुट ऑन द ग्रास एट द टाइम ऑफ सनसेट. साथ ही आय में वृद्धि के लिए आप श्रीम मंत्र का जाप कर सकते हैं 11, 21, 51 या 108 बार. तो स्वस्थ रहिए, खुश रहिए और संपन्न रहिए. इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
मोक्ष पाठ एक ऐसी साइंस जो 12th सेंचुरी में ऋषियों ने बनाई to give you an idea of what life should be, of how to master yourself and to walk the path of practical spirituality. I never knew I could have my cake and eat it too till I met Moksha Path in my life. However, if you think Moksha Path is not for you, think again. Moksha Path हम सबके लिए है. So if you are ready to welcome Moksha Path into your life? Do comment on this video and let us know. We will get in touch with you with the correct information. Till then, enjoy the next few videos of Panchaportal and complete this week's reading, hoping it brings you all the wellness you desire.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of work energy from January 5th to January 12th, 2026 according to Mokshwar Pole. The realm of work energy defines what actions you are taking this week. इस सप्ताह न सिर्फ कार्यों में आपकी रुचि बढ़ेगी बल्कि आपके अंदर एक नई स्फूर्ति का संचार भी होगा एंड यू विल वर्क विद ग्रेट एंथुसियाज्म. आपको नए आइडियाज, नए सजेशंस आ सकते हैं. आप कोई नया बिजनेस, न्यू वेंचर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, या फिर जो लोग जॉब की तलाश में हैं उनको कोई नई जॉब भी मिल सकती है. लेकिन आपके लिए सुझाव है कि जो भी निर्णय लें सोच समझकर, जांच पड़ताल करके लें. ट्रस्ट योर इनर इंस्टिंक्ट. योर इंट्यूशन विल नेवर गाइड यू रॉन्ग. तो अपनी अंतर्दृष्टि पर ध्यान दें. ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी गलत निर्णय की वजह से आपके अंदर कोई उलझन पैदा हो या फिर आप किसी समस्या में पड़ जाएं, तो इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखें. आपके लिए एक सुझाव है, आप एक वैदिक स्विच वर्ड ह्रीम का जाप कर सकते हैं, HREEM ह्रीम, जिससे आपको क्लैरिटी आएगी और स्पष्ट मार्ग दिखाई देगा. तो इन सब बातों का ध्यान रखें. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
Hi, wish you all a very happy new year. I welcome you all to our Panchaportal series for the month of January, week 1, which is from Jan 5th to Jan 11th. I'm going to talk about the realm of heart connection, which is all about your emotional, psychological, and personal space. This week, you may plan to go natural or will be inclined towards organic living. This week, you will have heightened sense of fragrance. You will connect with the natural smells like chandan and lavender, which will calm you emotionally and connect you to the higher realm. In case of any emotional block or disturbance, indulge in calming yourself and your environment with fragrances, as this will stimulate your energy and your overall well-being. You will also need to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Try new things that can help you have a different aspect towards your perception and how to deal with things with a new point of view. Advises to look beyond your old school perception or an already established method. So this week, explore yourself, release your attachments and balance yourself. Remedy for you this week is to indulge in aromatherapy. Use more original fragrances for raising your vibrations like sandalwood and camphor. Take care of yourself. Use a lot of fragrances that resonate with you. I am Karishma, your Moksha Button reader. This is a generic reading. DM me for in-depth reading. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa, a Mokshpata expert guide and manifestation coach. Welcome you to the Punch Portal in its new avatar and wishing you all a very happy new year. Here is the guidance for the week from 5th to 11th January 2026 for the realm of divine alignment. A sacred phase that invites you to walk the path of your higher self. This is a very positive time for your spiritual alignment. It helps you to connect with your higher and wiser self. This week asks you to trust your inner feeling. Think beyond your limits and slowly step out of your comfort zone. If you feel like listening and follow to spiritual people, reading spiritual books, or learning something new, please do so. It will help you to grow emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. This energy helps you rise above daily worries, calm your thoughts, and bring balance to your mind and soul. The energy of this week helps you to move beyond circumstances, calm mental distractions, and align your mind and soul with higher awareness. pause, reflect, and realign. This phase is about clarity, balance, and conscious spiritual evolution. Now, remedy for the week. Use 1 drop of sandalwood oil on your third eye and heart center before meditation to calm your mind and deepen your divine alignment. Thank you for tuning into the energy of this week. For finding more clarity and balance, you can book a personal guidance. You can message us directly. Thank you.
I hope this week's Punch Portal adds a lot of value and wellness to your life. If you have a question or if you would like to get a personal reading, do leave us a comment telling us the name of the professional you would like to work with. And remember, 2025 is a whole new slate to write on. So wish you a very happy new year and happy manifesting.